Hello everybody, we're here at the Melbourne Hamfest 2025 edition on Friday, October 10th. We're going to take a look at the Hamfest. We didn't have the greatest weather on Friday, so we'll take a look at the tailgate real quick. There's your tailgate. It's raining, so there is no tailgate, unfortunately. So that's your Melbourne 2025 tailgate. So now we're going to go ahead inside and we'll go take a look at the inside fest. Decent showing today for the inside. And we'll go take a look at that. This is where our Hamfest is in the auditorium there. So come along with me on our 2025 Melbourne Hamfest tour. So this is the inside of your Hamfest here. There's rooms over here, and there's another side room over here. Stage up there. And then they got some forums over in this little area where you walk behind this wall. So we're gonna walk around, we'll take a look at some of the equipment.
That's why we were in. That's why
You decided you wanted to get any of our other portions?
Listen, I'm not telling you you can't do it. Okay, you can. But I got to get one faceplate. And the problem is, that faceplate's going to be $55.
He wants it. I don't want it.
I'm just letting you know how it's going. See,
Video I didn't see.
You don't want to be.
No 55.50.
Yeah.
She said they got now a big highlight. Yeah, yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show you. Nostalgia station.
It's funny because I no, Greg, doing this, the voting's over.
Come on, check into the net. It's friendly, and we don't pass traffic. We just chit chat.
Yeah, you should have gotten an email. Okay, good.
And every year we celebrate.
Yeah, and you can read all the candidate bios, and then I'm the last one.
Yeah.
The gal who started.
How many candidates are there?
4 is the
It's just
incumbent,
a real
3
friendly.
challengers.
Because I'm aware of you and one other gentleman.
Right.
I didn't even know there were two of us that Charles.
How's it going?
Good. You get rained on? Brian, right. Yeah, I think I might have mentioned you too.
I think you should be good. Yeah, I was
I
over
might
there.
have his number. If you want.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having that.
Right now, of course, we're selling the cars with a volt and a current meter, but that's a watt hour. Replace out, so look at it.
Yeah, it's about as high as I go.
It's not all the way up.
Michael or Kurt, can you please come to the vendor booth? Michael or Kurt? Auditorium staff, please come to the vendor booth.
7,000 until 7,300. But this one, 7,000, 7,100. 100. You cannot transmit over. Or you can transmit 20 meters. Other than this, you want to test it over there?
That's what I was
Yeah, was it the Road Devil?
Yeah, road service. There's a boat to them. What do you do there? $5 a piece.
You know, I should see if I have
Good afternoon, Hamfest attendees. Our next forum is going to be starting in 10 minutes at 3:15. That forum will be presented by our friends at Ham Source. And that will be a presentation on power pole and a hands-on workshop of Anderson power poles. So if you'd like to come and learn about those, please come up to the northeast corner of the auditorium where our forums area is in the next 10 minutes for that presentation by HamSource. Come on down.
Can't get it anymore. It's not He was number 2, I was number 3. It's good, Billy. He's number 5. Well, when I started, there was about 10 of me. He was in co-chairs. He was 2005, 2000.
I was these 2 years. Now I've got
He literally lost his first. He lost his first one.
I'm not having you used to drive.
I still remember.
Oh, my God.
Not mine.
I don't know.
Hey, Jan, I'm going in here to hear John talk about politics. ¿Sabes cuáles son los PowerPoint?
How about you? You staying in town or?
Yeah, I'm staying over at Super 8. After a while, you're going to find you still hear it in the truck. It's still in the shadow, and you can hear it without even thinking about it. It takes a while, but you get there.
I was trying to program it. It's like, I should read the instructions. I'm sitting there, it's like, okay, why isn't he reading?
Now your membership.
And the first time I tried to get it's like, right
I've crossed the area. Wasn't that way before. So now I'm willing to take a little risk.
Except under these conditions.
Oh, yeah, she got a new cable company. They're not cable, they're very high. She has a friend that has a place.
I appreciate this.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Very good. Hey, I'm doing a Hamfest video. Would you like to tell us what you got here?
Well, this is Hollow State Designs display here. In addition to my normal Hollow State Design Thermotron book, the ever popular, which is on sale at the show, we have a new QRP 40 meter CW transmitter kit that utilizes thermotrons. In this case, it's a 6C4 vacuum tube. So it's a nice little kit to get started using vacuum tubes. It's for young people or hams that just want to, you know, get back into building stuff.
Okay, and this is on 40 meters?
Yeah, 40 meter CW QRP.
And the frequency is controlled by that crystal there?
By crystal, yeah. So I use 3 different crystals, 70-30, 70-40, 70-55. So it's a very simple little kit. It's only 25 bucks. I also sell it off the website. And it's a fun little thing to build. You can, the website has got a video, not only how to put it together, but how to design it from scratch.
Okay, and this is your website right here, right?
Yeah.
All right. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Right. And it's on sale.
This is a great little QRP radio. 8310. It's set to go from Kona.
Oh, okay.
And it's got an antenna,
Nowadays, you don't have to worry about it.
That's
They
good
don't
stuff.
drive themselves. 30 minutes in. See, that's right. Well, no, I mean, right now it is the coast.
You know, the cheapest they can get away with, basically. Even though it's a good answer. Oh, good, good. Yeah, I know. I'm going to start. I'm trying to get away with
Yeah, you're welcome to come back here and see the back. Okay. See the work. We'll still build stuff for people.
This house hardly
It is big outdoor. It's kind of like a miniature something. Fun thing is they call it something. It's meant to think
I like to hear it. Nice up here. Hey, good to meet you.
It's good to meet you. You take care of yourself.
Good, man. I'll be here tomorrow.
Yeah. If you have any questions, drop me an email.
I'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to go to the
Maybe it'd be expeditions.
Well, I figured out how to make a helicopter work. They were looking into that for takeoff and landing. But they were
Okay. Right?
I wasn't the first one to think about it, but I was the first one to post it.
way back on the old Bat Labs forum before the modern. I figured it out in 98. Scanless method for trunk scanning. He looked inside the amplifier with essentially a flash like that. Picked up a screw.
Yeah. And put it in his pocket.
All right, so that's a tour of your Melbourne Hamfest on October 10th, 2025. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. We'll have a video from the 11th. That'll be posted as well soon. For the 11th, that'll be Saturday. That's the busy day here at the Melbourne Hamfest, and hopefully we'll have some tailgate if the weather cooperates. 73s, everybody.